Welcome to the UBC Engineering Open House. I am Dr. Christoph Sielmann, an assistant professor of teaching involved in both manufacturing and mechanical engineering. I'll be talking about the Manufacturing Engineering program. Manufacturing Engineering is a new program at UBC, and we will be graduating our first cohort of students this year in 2021. It is a multi-campus program, meaning that we work closely with our colleagues at ManF at UBCO. I'll begin with the program itself and options for study. ManU is a traditional engineering program that can be completed in 4 years. You can extend the program by a year by engaging in the co-op program. We provide a broad exposure to foundational engineering disciplines, training across a range of major manufacturing processes and platforms, and instruction in production management and modern manufacturing practices, including newly emerging practices in digital modeling, virtual machining, additive manufacturing, and composite materials. If you wish to engage in the co-op option, you have the option to take co-op terms in your 3rd and 4th years. We also have a mobility pathway. If you're interested, you can customize your 4th year to focus on either the technical aspects of manufacturing at UBC Vancouver or production management and management technology at UBC Okanagan. This is not a degree transfer program, but it does allow you to complete your final year at either campus. Let's talk about some of the activities in your program. First and foremost, manufacturing engineering is heavily multidisciplinary. We incorporate topics from electrical computer engineering, mechanical engineering, and materials engineering, as well as a variety of other topics which are unique to ManU itself. There's process design, automation, artificial intelligence, and more within the program, with a very strong design focus in 2nd, 3rd, and 4th year. There will be a full year design course in each one of those years, culminating in the capstone in your 4th year. You can see a picture of the lab on the right-hand side of the slide right here. This is one corner. In addition to what you see here, there are 3D printers, scanners, injection molding machines, thermoforming machines, robotics, instrumentation systems, automation systems, ovens, IR cameras, and many more devices to work with. And you'll encounter most of these devices throughout your undergraduate degree. Fields related to manufacturing include mechatronics and mechanical engineering, industrial design, process design, which you'll encounter in chemical and biological engineering, and materials engineering. Some aspects, however, are quite unique to our program. That includes manufacturing operational management, PLC SCADA design for systems-level automation, although mechatronics may be incorporating these themes in the future, and operation of manufacturing equipment. If these are areas that interest you, then manufacturing engineering is a great choice. Now let's talk about the student experience. Among student teams, robotics and vehicle teams in particular are closely aligned to manufacturing engineering. These include Snowbots, Thunderbots, unmanned aircraft systems, and more. You'll also find manufacturing in other teams such as UBC Rapid, who focus on designing and deploying rapid prototyping systems, including 3D printers. You'll also find that many other teams have manufacturing-related challenges within their design scope, such as UBC Mars Colony and UBC Rocket. One club exclusive to the Manufacturing Engineering program is WOMANU, our Manufacturing Engineering Women's Club at UBCV. We are growing our research capacity within the program and offer opportunities for research and practical projects at the undergraduate level in additive manufacturing, operations management, sustainability, automation, and robotics. Our capstone course in the 4th year involves corporate and academic partners who provide real engineering problems for students to solve. Students are furnished with budgets and may visit partner sites and labs as part of the program. Let's discuss the demand for manufacturing engineering, and specifically what career options you may be able to pursue from your degree. Manufacturing is a huge priority in Canada. It's one of the top industries in Canada. Particularly in Canada, you'll find examples of manufacturing in food processing, motor vehicles and parts, petroleum refining, chemicals, primary metals, machinery, fabricated metals, plastics and rubber products, and many, many more. You'll find these all over the place on East Coast, West Coast, North, South. Manufacturing is very, very important to this country. There's also a lot of anticipated growth, particularly in food products, petroleum coal products, chemicals, machinery, aerospace products and parts, primary metals, and so on. So lots and lots of opportunities where new manufacturing will be brought online and where they're going to be looking for manufacturing engineers to support the implementation of new manufacturing systems. The sort of roles you can expect as a manufacturing engineer include manufacturing process design, which is a very common one, supply chain management, automation and programming, robotics, factory plant design, composites and materials selection, and manufacturing operational management. Targets in Canada include increasing manufacturing sales by 50% to $1 trillion by 2030, and increasing manufacturing exports by 50% to $540 billion by 2030. So great ambitions within this country to support manufacturing engineering. Some job titles you can expect as a manufacturing engineer are manufacturing engineer, automation engineer, chief product officer or CPO, and process engineer. Big companies include Ballard, Tesla, General Motors, Boeing, and also lots of smaller companies that you'll find across Vancouver as well. As a closing thought, A lack of a sufficiently sized and skilled labor pool is directly impacting the growth of manufacturing in Canada. And this was said by an organization called the Canadian Manufacturers and Exporters under Building a Strong and Skilled Workforce for Growth. Please do consider the Manufacturing Engineering program at UBCV. We look forward to seeing you in our future.